Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Flutter. So in this tutorial, we can able to check this logic, something logic on the Flutter. As of now, we added the very basic thing in Flutter. So now I want to add something is a logic, little bit different. Just I want to generate one random number while running this application. So in the same this application, so last time what we created in the same project I am doing, but where we created in a second package, on the package where we created our own dot file, on that file here I am writing one small logic. That logic is here, just I am defining one integer. So that method name I am defining as a generate, integer generate. So this I want to generate one random number. Here just I am defining one var random class, like here Kotlin. Here no need to new declarations and all. Directly we need to write this random. First it's a declaration is the first. So this is the random class. So once we define here random, it's imported as a dot. So this is the library. So from that library we are accessing this match functionality. Now here I want to pick this random value from here, that is random dot next max. You need to give here some max value. I'm giving you a 20. Then once I give this 20, if I want to utilize this, here we need to give something written for this. Just I'm giving you here as an integer lucky number. Just this I'm treating as a lucky number. So I'm defining as a lucky number like this. Then we should give here return type of this. Just I'm returning this, what we are defining this lucky number for this. Then I want to display this instead of my hi Flutter, I want to display this. So then here I'm writing this my lucky number, my lucky number. So dollar of, here we need to define this, that method we need to define here. So this is the way, just we need to define in this. Just now I'm running this application, we can see here how this happening now here. See how this text and all it's displaying now. We can able to see here once this application has run, we can able to see this output. Then after that we'll simplify one small code as well here. Like instead of writing there my lucky number and all, that completely we can handle from the method which we created, and that method itself we can handle the entire thing. Just we can define here only the method name, automatically it can call complete thing from the method which we created. That's how it happens. After this checking this basic output, we can go and we can check that output. So this is the output of this application. See here it's saying this, my lucky number is 6. Now if I run again, it changes this, instead of 6 it could be display something. But now instead of that I want to display here first, here from here above, from I want to reduce this code. If I want to reduce this code means I don't want to write here, just I want to call here directly the method. If you want to call directly this method, here we need to define as here, this is here, instead of the string we can define here directly, sorry, instead of integer directly we can define here as a string value. So here now I am giving you here as a return type, return as, directly I am writing this return as here. I will write here my lucky number, my lucky number. I'm writing here itself, I'm writing this my lucky number. So this is a string value, so you can define within a quotes. So my lucky number like this, you can define this here you can define this. So here you can define like this. And whenever you define like this, it's here integer, it's a string. So here you need to define here above this, you need to define as a string. So you need to define this as a string. So if you define as a string, then it should be working fine. Then now here, now in place of the text, there directly you can call this method. No need of this all. Directly you can define this method itself. See, now I'm running this application. We can able to see this. See, last time output is a, now see if I'm running this from less than a 20 value, we can pick some random value. Now here you can see this output. Now I'm running this application. See, once it's run this application, we can able to see this output here. Now instead of 1, instead of 6, it could be display something. There is no change in this, but just we are reducing our code, and it's in a proper way we are writing this. So still it's running this. Yeah, it's done. It's installing now. We can able to see this output here now. Yeah, now see here output as same. Instead of that, it's 1. See, again I'm running this. If again I'll run this, again this can be changed. Means instead of 1 now, something value could be displayed. Means randomly it is generating the some number less than 20. That is the here output. See here now 0. Like this you can define this. So thank you. To get more updates, please subscribe.